it's J-Well, no way, the raw and uncut way. You dig? And right now, if you can see, it's raining. You feel me? It's raining in this bitch. So you about to go smoke in the motherfucking rain for y'all. You hear me? I'm about to smoke in the rain. I'm about to roll this shit up right now, smoke it in the rain. Like, you hear me? I'm about to smoke in the rain. Me smoke in the rain and watch my J Last in the rain. Like, yo, 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 yo. It's your girl, Yay-Way. Yay-Way, no way, checking in with you right now. Hold on. That's not how I go. Yay-Way, no way, the raw, uncut way. Coming at you live, nigga. You dick. Get that ooh-sha ooh. Finna roll this shit up. And I'm gonna roll it in the hip. I'm gonna roll it up in the hip. We about to go smoke in the rain. Late on a late night tip, we smoking in the rain. And watch my J Last. I should roll a classic for y'all to show y'all what them classics did. Like, did you ever smoke a classic in the rain? Yeah, I'm gonna do a classic, bruh. I'm trying to prove a point here. Bruh, that was my last fucking sheet, bruh. So I'm finna smoke my last classic in the fucking rain. Fuck. Smoking in the rain with this one. Smoking in the rain with this one. Oh. Flash didn't went off. I'm recording and shit. Like, what's going on? I'm just trying to roll up right quick, man. I'm not gonna be long, man. I'm not about to take up too much of y'all time, bruh. I'm just showing y'all what this classic could do in a motherfucking rain. You dig? But that's only because Ye rode it. That's only because it's a Ye road. You know what I mean? Disclaimer. Ye rode it. Ye rode it. Is what it is. Is what it is. Dang, that rain is coming down. Damn, I purred that motherfucker. 1 second for the tip. 1 second for the custom tip. You know what I mean? I purred that motherfucker. Say I didn't. Say I didn't purr this. Say you won't hit this. I know you won't, because you fucking can't, stupid. This motherfucking iPhone better be motherfucking waterproof. I know that. This motherfucking iPhone better be waterproof. I say take your time, what's the rush? Here go a fun fact though. This is the first place when I first smoked my first J. I was in this joint. I was right in one of these joints with my man. You know who you are. I smoked my first J in one of these joints, no cap. In the stairwell, nigga. This is where I first smoked one of my first J's at. In a motherfucking stairwell. No cap. If you know, you know. If you don't, you don't. We'll be smoking in the rain, nigga. This wasn't even my plan. But shit happens, you hear me? My whole plan was to smoke in the car in the rain. But this feel better. Blessings on blessings on blessings, nigga. In the rain, nigga. Smoking in the rain. Like we really smoking in the rain. Got water bottle. These popping, and they ain't using hands. The hands to make it. smoking in the motherfucking rain, nigga. Who you know do this? The classic in the rain, nigga. We just smoking in the rain. This bitch is lasting. What? What? Yay, Rose. Look at the ash. Coming out the rain. This shit is no cat. Puffin' Mary Jane. This shit is still the same. This shit only up though. We only going up though. We only going up. We only going up. Niggas really smoking in the rain. Shit. I'm fucking up, Jack. I just stepped in a whole fucking puddle. Fuck it. Fuck it. I'm burned out. Use the quality, it's the rain. But we about to take it in the car though. Fuck it. We about to get this shit done. Post it on the corner. Like, if you remember smoking and shit like this in areas like this, comment below. If you ain't never smoked in a place like this with you and your friends, are you really a smoker for real? Did your classic ever last like this in the rain? Did Ye really roll it for real? Oh, alright. Oh, alright. I should leave this joint right here for somebody. Psych. I know one thing though. This classic lasts in the motherfucking rain. I know that for shit show. I know that for shit show. These smoking videos about to keep coming and coming and coming and coming. Just making sure. Ye rolled it. And we a road to killer.